Hello everyone, if you have got yogurt and eggs at home, try this snack. No water at all, just yogurt. This mandazi is crispy on outside and very soft inside. Just look at this texture. For this recipe we are using the following ingredients: lemon zest and lemon juice, 500 ml of yogurt, cooking oil, 2 eggs, baking powder, wheat flour, then quarter sugar. Next, I start with 1 kilogram of wheat flour in a bowl. Make sure your bowl is dry. Next, I add in a quarter sugar. Sugar gives sweetness and also helps this snack brown nicely when frying. Now I add in lemon zest. This gives a fresh smell and flavor to the snack or mandazi. You don't need a lot, just enough to bring aroma. Now I add in 4 tablespoons of baking powder, Now I break in 2 eggs. Eggs helps bind everything together and gives saltiness. I add in blue band. This helps to make mandazi soft and rich in taste. I squeeze in lemon juice. Then I mix everything well to combine. Now I add in yogurt. This recipe uses no water at all, only yogurt, and yogurt makes the mandazi very soft inside. Now I start kneading the mixture until it forms a soft dough. If it feels sticky, keep kneading it well to become together. I add in 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. This makes the dough elastic and prevents the dryness. I knead again until the oil mixes in. I cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. Resting relaxes the dough and makes it easy to roll. After 10 minutes, I heat some oil in a pan. The oil should be hot, not smoky. Our dough is now ready. I sprinkle flour on the surface. I divide the dough into 2 portions. Then I roll it flat, not too thin and not too thick. I cut the dough into square shapes. You can cut any shape you like. I gently put the mandazi into hot oil, one by one. I fry them on a low flame. Low flame helps them to cook inside without burning outside. Keep turning them slowly until they become golden brown on all sides. This color means they are ready. Look how golden they have turned out. When they are ready, I remove them from the hot oil and place them aside. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe to the channel. All kinds of snacks and foods are available on orders. To place the orders, contact me using the details in about section or description. Also, don't forget to join this channel membership to support this channel and enjoy the exclusive content. See you in the next video on Sunday 5:30 p.m. East African time.